Yale Real Living Touchscreen Deadbolt Programming. Advanced Lock Settings. Privacy Button Setting. Touch the screen with the back of your hand or fingers to activate. For this example, we have set the master PIN code to 1234. Enter master PIN code 1234 followed by the pound key to enter the main menu.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the pound key to continue.
In menu mode, select 3 for advanced lock settings followed by the pound key.
Press 1 for auto relock. Press 2 for inside indicator light. Press 3 for one-touch locking. Press 4 for privacy button.
In this example, we are setting the privacy button. We will press 4 followed by the pound key to select the privacy button setting.
Press 1 to enable. Press 3 to disable.
We will press 1 followed by the pound key to enable the privacy button setting.
Pound key to continue. Enabled. Press the pound key to
Now
continue.
we'll continue to show an example of disabling the privacy button setting while we are still in the advanced settings
Press
mode.
the star key to complete.
Enter pound to continue.
Press 1 for auto relock. Press 2 for inside indicator light. Press 3 for one-touch locking. Press 4 for privacy button. Press 5 for
Press 4 followed by pound for the privacy button setting.
Press the pound key to continue. Press 1 to enable. Press 3 to disable.
Press 3 followed by pound to disable the privacy button setting.
Pound key to continue. Disabled. Press the pound key to continue. Press the star key to complete.
Press star to complete.